to hear. Four, four, four. Four, four, four. Four, four, four. Let's spell it F-O-R. Four.
Today's sight word is four. Can you say it? Four. Great. Now let's spell it together. F-O-R. Four. Amazing. Four is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Four. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.